National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, southern Lake County in northeastern Illinois, central Will County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Kane County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, Cook County in northeastern Illinois, Porter County in northwestern Indiana, Lake County in northwestern Indiana, northwestern Jasper County in northwestern Indiana, until 6:15 p.m. At 4:49 p.m., an extremely dangerous and large cluster of severe thunderstorms was located along a line extending from Wakanda to Oswego, moving east at 75 miles per hour. These are destructive storms for Schaumburg, Elmhurst, Oak Park, Chicago, Oak Lawn, and Hammond. Hazard: tornado-like wind speeds in excess of 100 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Expect considerable damage to homes and businesses. Expect extensive tree damage and power outages. Locations impacted include West Town, Dyer, Glendale Heights, Preston Heights, Chicago Lawn, Englewood, Oak Lawn, Marionette Park, Cedar Lake, Orland Hills, Berkeley, Town of Pines, Summit, West Garfield Park, Austin, Merrillville, Lyle, near North Side, Aurora, and North Lake. This is an extremely dangerous situation with tornado-like wind speeds expected. Mobile homes and high-profile vehicles are especially susceptible to winds of this magnitude and may be overturned. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms have the